Hello everybody, it's the Kaiju Kid here, and for today's video, we're taking a quick look at the new Hiccup and Toothless from the live action movie. So getting them out of the box, Hiccup can look all the way around, his arms can move all the way around, his legs can pose, and his knees can move. And then we're going to take a look at Toothless. Toothless can move his legs, not all the way around, but he can still move them. Then Toothless can open and close his mouth, his tail can go all the way around, and his wings kind of flap, but they don't pose. Okay, so to sit Hiccup on Toothless, Toothless has 2 pegs on the saddle, and Hiccup has 2 holes in his legs, and then you put those together, and there you go, you can have him fly around. So comparing them to the other figures, here's the Zippleback that we looked at. We're going to compare Toothless to some other figures, but in the meantime, I do recommend this figure. It looks good, it looks like the live action, especially Hiccup and Toothless, so I would recommend picking it up. And that's it. Goodbye.